Here we are again reviewing transforming of graphs. So CPM just will not let this topic go. This is from chapter 2. We're supposed to make changes to this equation for these 5 scenarios. First off, just a quick review, the vertex on this one is opposite h comma k, so -3, -4. Recall when you get it out of the parentheses, you have to undo it. Also, I can tell that this opens up because it has a positive a value. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So right in here somewhere. And I'll just make it like this. All right, we need to flip it upside down. So to do that, I turn my a value negative. So my one change was right here. I need to shift it down 3 units. So I want to go further down. So if I'm already at -4 and I want to go down 3 more, I'm going to change this to -7. Oops, and it should be positive now. I'm sorry. You're always changing the original equation. So I made a mistake by copying that one. So I'm changing the k value to be down 3 more. The next one, I want to shift right 4 units from its current location. So here I am right here. We need to go right 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that this right here will be a -4. Recall, it's opposite. Not a -4, a -1. I want to go 4 to the right, and I want to be over here at 1. So this will be -1. So y equals x minus 1 squared minus 4. So we change that guy. Here I want to vertically stretch it. That means I want to grow faster. So that means my a value needs to be anything greater than 1. Let's make it 100 just for fun. And if I want to open wider or grow more slowly, I need to have a decimal value for my a value. So we'll go 0.25. We're going to grow at 1/4 of the rate. There we go. And that is that.